Sunny dancing and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, the sun slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me. Like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. The counting fades a peaceful hum. The world slows down and I just become lost in the rhythm of a quiet day, where every small thing lights the way. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin.
Puntong ito guys, naramdaman ko na iba pa rin talaga pag ang pamilya mo ang kasama mo. Ibang saya mo, lalo pa kung kasama po yung anak mo sa tabi mo sa pagsalubong ng bagong taon. Ganon din mga kapatid mo, pamangkin, nanay at tatay mo na isilbing gabay mo sa araw-araw, sa hirap ng buhay. Sila yung nagbibigay ng lakas sa'yo. So guys, lagi natin pahalagan yung bawat minuto at oras na kasama natin sila. Huwag natin hayaang masayang yung mga oras na wala sila. So, Happy New Year guys sa ating lahat. Sana! New Year guys! Welcome to 2025! New Year na!
Wow!
Happy New Year, Ere!
Wow!
Happy New Year, Aton! Happy New Year! Jana!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year nyo! Kaway! Happy New Year! Happy New Year ulit! Ulit! Happy New Year! Happy New Year pa!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Ingrid!
Wow!
Happy New Year, Nge! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Ma! Happy New Year, Ma! Guys, kain tayo lahat. Yan, maganda kayo sa pamilya kasi. Kain kayo lahat, kain guys. Welcome, 2025. So yun lang guys, kung gusto niyo akong videos, don't forget to follow, like, and share. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching.